Hello there! Our topic for today, how to get more views on YouTube. Before we start, click the subscribe button to get notified. Let's get started. Number 1. Create compelling content. It won't matter how many hacks or ads you see if your videos aren't good. So how can you create compelling content that will get more views on YouTube? Simply identify what your ideal customer most want to know, and then create videos that meet their needs. Does this work? You bet. YouTube creator Graham Cullen racked up 34 million YouTube views by focusing on how to content. Cochrane said, "An amazing thing happens when you ask people what they need and want, and then you go and make it for them. They think you read their mind." Bottom line, consistently create content that solves your ideal customers' problems or meet their needs. It's the way to develop a loyal community of fans and get more views on YouTube. Number 2. Encourage viewers to subscribe. Have you ever heard the saying, "Your best new customers are your old customers"? In other words, retaining customers can be a powerful way to grow your business. Well, the same holds true for YouTube views, which is why of the easiest way to get more views on YouTube is to encourage your current viewers to subscribe, because gaining subscribers will increase the number of views on each new video that you release. How do you get viewers to subscribe? The best way is to simply to ask at the beginning and end of each video. But don't just ask viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Make sure that you also prompt them to turn on the notification bell after they click subscribe. This way, once a viewer subscribes, they'll be notified every time you upload a new video. Growing your subscribers is vital to getting more free YouTube videos. So start asking your viewers to subscribe now. Number 3. Create playlists to keep people watching. YouTube's own statistics shows that top performing brands on YouTube build and promote twice as many playlists as the bottom 25%. Why do playlists work so well? Autoplay? It takes effort to pull your attention away from videos you're enjoying when they just keep playing. In fact, there's a cognitive bias at work called loss aversion. Loss aversion states that the pain of losing something is twice as bad as the pleasure received from gaining something equivalent. For example, loss aversion suggests that people will work twice as hard to keep $100 as they will gain $100. Autoplay uses loss aversion to reframe the situation. The question is no longer, do you want to watch another video enough to activate click play? Now, the question is, do you want to stop watching enough to actively click away? It's subtle but powerful, and if your content is good, viewers will often keep watching. Also, playlists can help improve search ranking, as playlist titles are another opportunity to target keywords. The easiest way to create a YouTube playlist is to navigate to each video you'd like to add and click icon underneath the video. Then you can create a new playlist or add it an existing playlist. To get more views on YouTube, create a playlist of your best content and start promoting it today. Promote other videos with end screen and cards. Cards and end screen are tools that you can use to promote your videos to get more views on YouTube. First, you'll need to verify your YouTube account to access this feature. To do this, click on your profile picture in the top right and then click Creator Studio. Next, click on the Status and Feature tab. On this page, you'll able to view extra YouTube channel feature and set them up. Now, let's take a closer look at end screen and cards. An end screen is dedicated frame that you can place at end of your videos to wrap up in. Number 5. Add a watermark to your videos. Watermarks allows you to gain more subscribers and free YouTube views by promoting your channel across all of your videos. Essentially, a watermark is just an image that you can set to appear on all your videos. Most brands use their logo. When a viewer hovers their mouse over watermark, it prompts them to subscribe, which is why Shopify YouTube channel has chosen watermark saying subscribe. Number 6. Make sure your videos are embedding enabled. You've spent ages creating an awesome video and now your viewers want to share it on their website and blogs. But they cannot because you forgot to enable embedding. Allowing viewers to embed your video on their website and blogs is an effective way for your brand to reach new audience and get more views on YouTube. If a video has embedding enabled, when a viewer clicks share underneath the video windows, YouTube will show them the embedded option. Number 7. Promote your videos on other social channels. If you have followers on other social channels, let them know each time you upload a new video to YouTube. A good way to do this is with short teaser without video in the example below. We created minute-long teaser for a YouTube video and we posted it. To make things easier, try using a social media scheduling tool like Hootsuite or Buffer, but don't just stick to social channel. You can also embed your YouTube video in relevant blog, post and page on your website. Understand the importance of watch time. YouTube described their algorithm as a search and discovery system. This algorithm determines which videos are shown on the home page as suggested videos in search result under the subscription tab through notification that viewers have created. Watch time is how much time people spend actually watching your videos. Nurture a community. Number 9. YouTube isn't just a video search engine, it's also a social network. So to get more views on YouTube, you need to use it like other social networks. In other words, it isn't enough to just regularly share videos. You also need to actively engage your audience. Number 10. Optimize your video title. YouTube is a search engine, which means search engine optimization, SEO matters. YouTube's algorithm takes multiple items into account when selecting videos for search results, and the platform provides a number of opportunities to optimize your channel and videos, including video file names, title, description, and tags, so include as much information as possible. Crucially, you need to know which keywords you want your videos and channel to rank. Optimize your channel. Optimizing your channel is vital to strengthening your brand and boosting your YouTube views. And YouTube provides plenty of ways to optimize your channel. Okay? Create a strong, consistent brand aesthetic. Optimize your YouTube channel description. Add your social channels, links to your website, and a way to get in contact. Add channel keywords. Showcase your channel with a video trailer featuring your best content. Lastly, enable the related channels. Number 12. Create compelling thumbnails image. A thumbnail is a video preview image. This little image is extremely important. If you want to get more free YouTube videos, when you upload a video, you can choose one of the auto-generated thumbnail image. Don't instead create and upload your own custom thumbnail image. YouTube reports that 90% of top performing YouTube videos use them, and for good reason. If you haven't yet, you need to verify your YouTube account to access this feature. YouTube says, thumbnails requires an art director eye for branding and shouldn't be an afterthought. Number 13. Transcribe your videos. Creating videos are great, but sometimes your audience will need a transcription due to language constraints or disability. YouTube allows for closed caption where a transcript is added as a subtitle to a video. Viewers can toggle these subtitles and off at will. If you plan on opening your videos to an international market, transcription can be a great idea. With translating a script, helping those with other language ability to understand your video better. Number 14. Invest guest bloggers. Guest blogging is a great way to gain new followers and viewers. Identifying influencers who have a similar audience to yours will open your channel up to potential viewers who have the same interests as you. Building a close relationship with these influencers after creating a video with them will mean that they will share your videos with their followers. If you do the same for them, this reciprocity is a surefire way to gain free new views on YouTube. Number 15. Build an influencer community. Following on from guest bloggers, building a strong influencer community that shares community content and works together to help everyone involved in great way to get more views on YouTube channel. Number 16. Knows what's viral. Keep up to date with things happening in your industry. Can be difference between becoming popular or sneaking into the background. Those with a deep understanding of what is happening in the world can create videos that are current and interesting to those researching a niche. But this knowledge of your industry also helps you identify viral content as it happens so you can share it with your following before anyone else. Being the first to share information will identify you as a leader in your field, leading to more exposure to your content and more views. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.